now I am going to discuss specific gravity. Specific gravity or relative density. Okay, this is also very important properties of the fluid, and this is RD or a specific gravity. It is denoted by RD or a specific gravity. We have already discussed mass density and weight density. So this word specific gravity is related with that word only. Okay, so let us define what is a specific gravity. So a specific gravity is defined as the ratio of the particular fluid to the standard fluid, and we can write in both the terms, mass density terms also, weight density terms also. So a specific gravity is nothing but mass density of particular fluid, or we can call it as fluid, given fluid. Okay, and divide by mass density of standard fluid, or weight density of particular fluid by weight density of standard fluid. Now see, we can have definition based on either on mass density or in weight density. So see here, mass density of that fluid divided by mass density of a standard fluid. If it is liquid, so we have to take water as a standard fluid. If it is gas, then we have to take air as a standard fluid. In the same way, weight density also, weight density of the particular fluid, that fluid, and weight density of a standard fluid. Here also standard fluid, if liquid is there, we can take water as a standard fluid, and if it is gas, we can take it as air. Okay, so like that, see here, that is mass density. So mass density of fluid by mass density of standard fluid. I am writing like water, and this is weight density. So weight density is gamma particular fluid by gamma of standard fluid. Standard fluid is H2O, water. Okay, so that ratio, it is a dimensionless terms. It is a dimensionless term because dimensionless term, it is mere a number, because see in definition, weight density, so both will get cancelled. Mass density will get cancelled. So it is denoted by S or relative density also. So S is a number, remember, because S is a specific gravity is a number. Now suppose I am writing S is equal to 1.2. That means this is nothing but, if you take about mass density of fluid by mass density of water. Okay, it is nothing but 1/2. Okay, see now that fluid is 1.2 times mass density of the water. That means this one. Okay, so standard fluid, that is water. So mass density of water is 1000 kg per meter cube, and weight density is 9810 Newton per meter cube. Okay, so standard S is equal to 1 for the water. okay, and it is 13.6 for the mercury. For mercury, that means this mercury is 13.6 times heavier than the water. We can call it as mass density. Mass density of the mercury is 13.6 times heavier than the water gas, okay, and any liquid is water here, so it is standard fluid, 13.6 times heavier than the standard fluid. Water is 100, that is 1. Why? Because standard fluid is here water, suppose, so it is mass density is nothing but 1000 and standard fluid is also 1000, so it is 1 only. That's why this is standard fluid, and at 4 degrees centigrade for water I am talking. So if the water is there, standard fluid water, so a specific gravity for the water is 1. So this is the concept of the specific gravity or relative density. Let us sum up what we have studied in this session. So a specific gravity we can define in two ways, based on the mass density or based on the weight density. So remember, mass density of the fluid, given fluid, divided by mass density of the standard fluid. That is, mass density of the fluid by mass density of the standard fluid is water. If it is liquid, we can take as a water, and if it is gas, we can take a standard fluid as a air. In a similar way, weight density also, weight density of that particular fluid divided by weight density of a standard fluid. So this ratio is a dimensionless term, because mass density will get cancelled. Weight density, same unit is in numerator and denominator, so it will mere have the number only, so it is a dimensionless term and it is mere a number. So a specific gravity is having one number. Now let us see what is the significance of this one. Suppose a specific gravity, that is a specific gravity is 1.2. So that means this is nothing but this one. So mass density of fluid by mass density of standard fluid is water. It is 1.2. That means that fluid mass density is 1.2 times greater than, 1.2 times more than standard fluid. Okay. Standard fluid is taken as a water. So mass density of the water is 1000 kg per meter cube, and weight density of water is 9810 Newton per meter cube. So standard fluid, a specific gravity is 1 for the water. That means, because comparing with the standard fluid, so both are having the same mass density and weight density, that is standard fluid is compared here. And if S is 13.6, that means this says that 13.6, mercury is 13.6, see here, S is equal to 13.6, that means fluid by standard fluid, okay. So that is, so fluid is mercury here, so it is Hg is equal to 13.6 times of H2O. It means that mercury mass density is 13.6 times greater than the mass density of the water, standard fluid. In a similar way, we can consider it as, that is weight density, that is this one, that is weight density of fluid by weight density of water. So here same way, weight density of mercury is equal to 13.6 times of weight density of water, okay. So either we can compare this on the basis of mass density or weight density, result will be the same. Okay, thank you.